Hi there, today I want to show you these excellent Axminster Trade self-adjusting toggle clamps. Now being self-adjusting means we can clamp different thicknesses of wood without making any adjustment to the clamp. So 10mm thick, 25mm thick, and finally a 45mm thick piece of wood, clamped rock solid. You can adjust the pressure applied easily here with a screwdriver, and of course you can adjust the arm piece to increase the throw. This style is available in 3 sizes, this being the biggest one, and this one being the smallest. And we also offer 2 sizes in a push and pull option, again self-adjusting. Now we have an excellent accessory here from Veritas. So if you own a UJK multifunction bench or any similar style bench made with a UJK path guide system, we can put this clamp to the toggle plate and we can put it anywhere we want, locked with an M8 knob. And we can clamp pieces anywhere we want on the bench surface. Have a look online for more details or visit our store. Thank you. Cheers.